Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, we are honestly just going to be going with the flow. I'm not sure what kind of look I want to do. I'm just going to go ahead and play around in some makeup and we shall see what this look turns out to be. So I'm going to take the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to take this orange shade, and I don't know, I like using orange colors as my transition. Just looks nice. So I'm using this as my transition color, and this is my BH Cosmetic 101 brush. You guys, look, it's all busted up because I had this forever and I use it all the time. It's a great brush. It comes in a set. I think it's still on their website. It's a really good brush, but I actually got this from Marshall's. Sure, this is how I come up with all my looks though. I just sit here and I just think of colors. I just put colors together, and that's how I come up with the looks that you guys see me do. I'm gonna go ahead and add pink in the crease. So I'm gonna take the hot pink shade in the palette and I'm gonna put this in the crease. So some of these colors do stain your eyes, you guys. That's why you have to prime them really well. Should I do a halo or should I do a cut crease? I don't know. I'm gonna do a cut crease, but it's gonna be an ombre cut crease. Okay, so this is going to be an ombre cut crease because I actually done before, but I never filmed it. So that's what we are going to do. I think I'm gonna just leave it like this and go ahead and cut my crease. I want more, like, I want the orange to pop out a little more. So I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape to cut my crease. This one's in the shade medium. I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand like this and take my favorite brush at the moment to cut my crease. And it's the it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 18 concealer brush. It's so nice, you guys. It's so nice. I use this to clean up my brows too. Any kind of cut, like a cut crease, a halo, I always use this brush. So to do the ombre cut crease, all you have to do is use these same shades that you put in your crease and apply it to your eyelids. So I'm going to take this Makeup Addiction shader brush and I'm going to take the orange shade that I use as my transition and apply it on my eyelid. And then all you want to do is just take the next shade and apply it right underneath the first shade that you applied. So for the glitter, I'm just taking the NYX Glitter glue, and I'm also taking the NYX Glitter in Silver. But I'm just going to use my brush. It's the same number 18 brush that I used to cut my crease. I'm going to take the glitter primer and just follow along the cut crease and then use the same brush to pick up the loose glitter and apply it. If you guys have a glitter eyeliner, that is so much easier to use. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest because this is really hard to do and film. So I'll be back after I apply the glitter. Okay, so I already know I did a lot and I didn't show you guys, but doing these eyeliners, I applied a black wing and a green liner right on top. Like, I could not show you guys that because my whole face is literally in the mirror. So I went ahead and finished my wing, and I'm gonna pop on my lashes, and this is the brand of lashes that I'm going to be using, and it's in the style Paris. Okay. It's so pretty. I love it. I'm gonna go back over it with the green because I kind of want the green liner to pop out a bit more. I'm gonna grab a makeup wipe just to take off all the glitter on my face. Okay, so I'm gonna moisturize, of course, with my Pond's moisturizer. So I'm going back to my fave, which is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation in the shade 09 Tan. I'm taking my Makeup Addiction sponge, is my favorite beauty blender right now to blend out my makeup. And I'm just gonna blend all this out. I use this foundation all the time because I just love it, everything about it. For concealer, I'm going to use the Shape Tape concealer in the shade medium. So I usually use Tan Sand, which is like perfect for my skin tone. This is a bit too light for my liking, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of foundation to tone this brightness down. And I'm just gonna use the same foundation, get a little bit of product on the sponge, and just go ahead and blend this out. So now that that's all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and set it in place. I'm going to blend out any creases that I see first. I'm using my Airspun powder, and I mix in my banana powder to make it more yellow. I went over my green liner one more time to just bring it out a little bit. So now I'm going to bronze up my face using the ABH powder bronzer in the shade Saddle. I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup using the Kiss Pro Touch setting spray, and it looks like this. So while my makeup is setting, I always go back in to just complete the eyes. So I'm going to use the Sigma E25 brush and dip it into the orange shade, which I use first on my lids, and blend it on the lower lash lines. And right after that, I'm going to take the same pink color and blend it a little bit closer to the lash line. I wish I had like a lime green eyeliner so I can put in my waterline. I think that would really complete this look. Like if I had a lime green in my waterline, that would look really nice. So right after that, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild MegaLength mascara and just apply it to my bottom lashes. I really like these Wet n Wild mascaras. I tried most of them and they are really nice and affordable. See? And that's just one coat. Wow, my bottom lashes, my gosh, they are so long. So I'm also gonna add like a little dot. I don't know, I've been doing this a lot lately. I just think it's so cute. I do it with the yellow eyeliner, purple, is just whatever I'm feeling that day. Okay, so for highlight, I decided on the ABHxAmrezy Highlighter. So I'm going to use this with the ABH A23 highlighting brush. So I'm also going to highlight my brow bone with the same highlighter and also bring it into the inner corner. And this pencil brush is a Makeup Addiction pencil brush. Okay, you guys, so to finish off this look, I already went ahead and lined my lips and filled it in a little bit with just a brown lip liner. So I decided on the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Trouble, which is one of my faves. I love this color. It is beautiful. And I feel like it'll look pretty on every skin tone. So I'm going to throw on a gloss. I'm using the E.L.F. Lip Plumping Gloss, which I'm almost out of already because I use it all the time. This is my favorite lip gloss right now. So you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys had fun sitting here with me creating this look. I didn't even know where I was going with this look here, but I think it came out pretty good. Okay, it's pretty good. It looks pretty good. Be sure to like this video, comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. Please give me a bunch of ideas and subscribe to my channel because I will be having more videos. It is unacceptable to leave you guys for that long. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting and being so positive and loving. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.